So this is still problem 3 of problem set 7, which is the Bertrand oligopoly game. So I said in the last video that it's similar to an auction. So the next problem we want to deal with is, given this kind of mess, how do I find a Nash equilibrium? So this is, first, it's impossible to start from the best response to get the Nash equilibrium. So as I said before, the midterm 3, we guess and check that's right. So we guess some kind of Nash equilibrium. So many people are asking how to guess. I have no idea how to guess. So anything that makes sense that comes into your mind is a guess. So one guess is the first firm can, so there are 100 of firms, or there are 10 firms. There are 100 firms. So the largest firm may offer 1,000, which is the productivity. So that's one good guess, and everyone else is just is getting 99.0, 98.0, and so on, basically, and then we end, and there's 10. So that could be a reasonable guess. I don't know how many people will come up with this directly. After you have the guess, you check whether it's best responses or not. So first, for all these people, what is n minus I? N minus I is 1000. So n minus I is obviously larger, so it's obviously the first case. So it's this case here. So, and anything less is okay, and indeed all of them are less, so all of them are okay, so good. And then the next step is check 1000 whether it's the best response or not. So this, for this person, n minus 1, or n minus 100, no, I will just say 1. Um, they are in reverse order. So anyways, this is actually the 100th person, this is the first person, but in any case, this is 990. So if this is the case, then this is less than, so this is either this or this, and it's in actually this case. So it's actually the case where I want to overbid, because now J is 99 and it's smaller than my I is 100, so it's actually this case, so I want to bid the other person plus 1, and I'm not bidding it. How to change it? Just make it 991. Then it's okay, right? Then my best response is the n minus I plus 1 according to this, so it's this plus 1, which is 991, and indeed I'm choosing this. So, and then that's fixed. So when this is fixed, we need to go back and check whether these things are best response or not. So this is no longer this is 991, so check, but still in this case, so anything less than 991 is okay, and indeed all of them are less than 991, so done. This is done. So through one iteration of adjustment, it's done. So basically that's how you do this. So if you start with a guess that doesn't make any sense, then obviously it's going to take like 10 steps to get it work. So like the Excel file that I showed you in class, if you start with any kind of random guess, it takes a long time to converge to the Nash. So, but if you start with something that's nice, then after several steps of adjustment, you can get to the Nash equilibrium very quickly. So this is the way you do this. You can get something that's similar. Maybe you get starting from everyone choosing 0, everyone choosing 1000 or something like that. All of those reasonable guesses will converge to this thing very quickly. So it may converge to other Nash equilibrium as well. So again, on the exam, I will never ask you to find all equilibrium with this kind of n people game. So you don't need to worry about finding all of them. Just find one. Use your best reasonable real life guess on these things.